DJ Delz, absolutely wonderful.
Here we go with a detailed look at Parzival from Ready Player One. This is the Walmart exclusive. Let's get into it. As you can see up close, it's got that, I forgot how to pronounce it, patina kind of vibe to it, where it's like copper, and then you have like your hits of like a turquoise, like it's aging, and it looks pretty damn awesome, I gotta say. Let me know if you've seen Ready Player One or if you read the book, and give me your review, please. Leave that in the comment box below. And I wanted to give you a close-up look at him. He is available now. I will link that in the description box below to help you all out. And I highly recommend, if you want him, you get on it now. You go ahead and go for it, because the resellers are going to be going after this as soon as they notice that it is available, because that's just how it's going down in the pop world. Unfortunately, you've got tons of people reselling these Funko Pops instead of, you know, just buying them for fun and collecting them. People know there's a lot of us that like collecting them, so they are going ahead and buying all of them. So we have to end up buying them from these damn resellers. One complaint about this Funko Pop, and the only one, is it doesn't come with a stand. It should come with a stand. All Funko Pops should have a stand. I like how his stance is, but it's kind of hard to balance. But I'm also balancing it on a Funko Pop box, so you know, on a flat surface it will be okay, I'm sure. But if I had any complaint, that would be the one complaint. I just hate Funko Pops that don't come with the plastic stand. I feel like it's necessary, and I don't get why they can't just put that measly piece of plastic on this Funko Pop. As I showed you before, even on the bottom, it doesn't even have a hole where you can actually put your own. Real quick, I'll show you some new pickups I got. I did get the Tommy Boy Target exclusive, and make sure to hit the thumbs up button right now if you want to see an out-of-the-box review. Really awesome, and I'm happy that I got this one. I think it's just such a great pop, man, and such a great movie, such a great actor. Such a shame it's such a shame he passed away, man. I wish he was still alive. And I also got King Groot, the glow-in-the-dark King Groot. So leave your comments. Let me know what I should review next. I have tons of Funko Pops here to review. And once again, let me know if you've seen Ready Player One yet. Or did you read the book? Did you do both? Let me know your thoughts on the movie. Were you happy with the movie? Do you recommend it? Do you not recommend it? And if you don't like it, tell me why. And if you do like it, tell me why too. Please, I'd love to read all of your comments. Subscribe, of course, if you're new. New giveaway will be coming shortly. I will be doing a new giveaway once we get a couple of more subscribers. So make sure to subscribe if you love Funko Pops. Thanks for tuning in. Leave them comments. And we are out.